Whether you're camping, at a job site or just on the road, if you need a reliable and convenient source of power, you can't go past the 12-volt PowerPack stackable battery and control hub system from Ridge Ryder. Utilising a unique AGM battery design, Ridge Ryder have come up with a customizable and scalable solution to your portable power supply needs that's capable of high instantaneous current output as well as sustained constant current. Each 26 amp-hour compact battery pack is designed to be connected to one another, which offers both diverse installation options and the ability to add more batteries to the setup in order to scale up your power output to suit your budget and your requirements. To offer unparalleled flexibility, the batteries can be configured vertically or horizontally, making them perfect for eliminating uneven weight distribution or for installation underfloor or in cargo areas where a smaller vertical profile is required. This means that the Ridge Ryder stackable battery pack system is great for use in trailers, motorhomes and off-road vehicles where space is at a premium. To monitor and control your power pack, Ridge Ryder also offers a separate control hub that can either be securely fitted to your battery stack or installed remotely. The control hub is packed with helpful features, including two 15-amp DC outlets, two 2.4-amp USB outlets, and a 50-amp Anderson-style outlet, and much more. So, whatever you need to power, you'll have the right outlet on hand. The 50-amp Anderson-style outlet can also be used to connect to a solar panel for when you're off the grid and need to keep your battery pack charged. To help you keep track of your power pack's charge level and power usage, the control hub also features a bright and easy-to-read LED screen that displays the output status of each channel and the total current value. Better still, it will let you know if you're running low on juice with its low voltage and battery capacity alarm, and will keep you and your power pack safe with its overcurrent and load protection and warning system. Also available are the purpose-made mounting base to securely transport the power pack to your destination. When you get there, all you have to do is remove the 4 connector pins and the unit becomes completely mobile, meaning you're not limited by the distance between your vehicle and campsite. To complete your setup, we have the fully adjustable top plate that allows you to mount such accessories as power inverters and DC-DC chargers, as well as the mounting base. This can be removed if not needed. So, if you have a multitude of things to power when you're out and about, you can't go past the versatility and convenience of the 12-volt PowerPack stackable battery and control hub system from Ridge Ryder.